Hello dear student, welcome to all of you. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the topic isomeres related to second part of your chemistry. Okay, now first of all we should know what is isomeres and what is the need of study about isomeres. Dear student, some compounds, we can say here two or more than two atoms or compound when having similar molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties is called isomers. Okay, and such compounds are called isomers. Suppose we have CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is known as normal butane. But the second structure may be CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. This is isobutane. Okay, and both molecules having same molecular formula. But you can see here structure is only different due to the different arrangement of atoms. Okay, this is 10 isomers, we will discuss later. But now you can see here, and both the physical and chemical properties of different of these two molecules but having same molecular formula. Clear dear student? So this phenomena is called isomeres and such compound is called isomers. Okay dear student, this compound is called isomers and the phenomena is called isomeres. Clear dear student? Now you know isomeres further classified mainly in two categories. Two categories. I'm going to classify the isomeres. Sorry. The term isomeres is classified into two categories. You know, structural isomeres. Structural isomeres. Okay, dear student. And second one is stereo isomeres. Clear? Now, stereoisomeres further classified into following categories. See here, stereoisomeres further classified into following categories. See here, chain isomeres, chain isomeres, position isomeres, position isomerism, functional isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, metamerism, tautomerism, tautomerism, and ring chain isomeres, ring chain isomeres. Okay dear student, very important topic isomeres, and I've already discussed when two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but physical and chemical properties are different is called isomeres and such compound is called isomers. Clear dear student? Now isomeres further classified into two categories broadly. Structural isomeres and stereoisomeres. Structural isomeres further classified into following categories: chain isomeres, position isomeres, functional isomeres, metameres, tautomeres, and ring chain isomeres. And stereoisomeres further classified into two categories. One is geometrical isomeres, and second one is optical isomeres. Okay, dear student. Now we will discuss here one by one. First of all, structural isomeres and the part of structural isomeres, chain isomeres first. Then second is position isomeres. Third one is functional isomeres and metameres, tautomeres, and ring chain isomeres. We will discuss one by one. Okay, dear student. Now see, first is chain isomeres, and what is the definition of structural isomeres? When two or more compounds having same molecular formula possess different chemical properties on account of different arrangement of atoms in their molecules is called structural isomeres. The definition of structural isomeres, let us see here. When two or definition of structural isomeres: when two or more than two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula, okay, dear student, same molecular formula but different chemical properties due to different arrangement of atoms in their molecules. Okay, dear student, the phenomena is known as structural isomeres. Okay, dear student, structural isomeres, and such compound are called isomers. Okay, dear student, very important definition, and you will have to remember it. Structural isomeres, the definition of structural isomeres, you can see here: when two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different chemical properties, and different chemical properties due to the different arrangement of atoms in their molecule. Very simple definitions. The phenomena is known as structural isomeres, and such compounds are called isomers. Okay, dear student, let us see the first part of structural isomeres, which was we have written chain isomeres. We are going to discuss about the chain isomeres. Okay, dear student, same definition in every statement when two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different arrangement of carbon atoms in their molecules, the phenomena is known as chain isomerism. The two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different chemical properties due to different arrangement of carbon atom in the chain is called chain isomerism. And the structures obtained are called chain isomers. Okay, dear student, very simple. The two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula. Focus in this word, same molecular formula but different chemical properties due to different arrangement of carbon atom. Here is carbon atom. Okay, in the chain is called chain isomerism and the structure obtained are called chain isomers. Okay, dear student, let us see the example. Okay, now it is okay. Suppose we have chain isomerism. Suppose we have C4H9Br, for example. Okay, bromobutane is known as bromobutane. Then the structural formula of bromobutane can be written in the following manner: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and Br. Okay, this is one bromobutane. It's known as one bromobutane. You know. Okay, but we will not change the position of bromine because it is functional group, and in chain isomerism we have to change the position of carbon atom. Okay, let's the carbon replace from this positions to this position, or here this position you will find another structure like CH3, CH, CH3 and CH2 and Br. Once again numbering you will give from this side 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can see here the longest chain contain only 3 carbon atom, but in this condition the longest chain consists 4 carbon atom. Okay, dear student, so the name of this compound is 1-bromo, 2-methyl, and the longest chain contains 3 carbon atom. The root word is propane. Okay, now you can see here the position of bromine is fixed. That means there is no position isomerism, but the position of carbon atom is different in both the organic compound. So these are known as CHAN isomers to each other. That means one bromobutane and one bromo 2-methylpropane are CHAN isomers. CHAN isomers to each other. Okay, dear student, you can write as one bromobutane and one bromo 2-methylpropane are CHAN isomers to each other. Okay, dear student, let us see the another example. Let us see the another example. We have already write that CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, dear student, butane C4H10. Okay, dear student. Okay, now CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Okay, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal butane, or you can write butane. Okay, and butane. And here is isobutane. Clear, dear student? Now the one butane and isobutane, or you can write here 2-methylbutane or 2-methylpropane. 2-methylpropane. Okay, dear student? That means normal butane and isobutane, or you can say here butane and 2-methylpropane are CHAN isomers. CHAN isomers to each other. Okay, let us see the another example. Suppose we have the compound related to alcohol. Suppose C4H10O. Clear, dear student? You can make both ether and alcohol. Clear? Now structure formula CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH. Clear, student? Butane 1-ol, yeah, or 1-butanol is the name of this compound, and we have to change the position of carbon, not the position of hydroxy group, because if we change the position of hydroxy group, it will give the another compound and both will be the position isomeres. Okay, dear student? So we have to change here the position of carbon atom. So let us change the position. This carbon may shift from here to here and form to balance this the valency of this carbon. One hydrogen atom from this carbon atom shifted to here to form CH3, and here CH, after shifting one hydrogen from this carbon to this carbon, one hydrogen, the valency is incompleted, and this carbon shift here to form CH3 and then CH2 and then OH. Because this is the major functional group, so we have to number the carbon from this side 1, 2, 3, and the longest chain contains 3 carbon atom, and this is one branching forming here due to the shifting of carbon atom, due to the change of position of carbon atom, and when the position of carbon atom is changed in the skeleton, that means they form CHAN isomeres. Okay, dear student? So here write 2-methyl, the IUPAC system 2-methyl, then longest chain propane 1-ol. Okay, dear student? So butane 1-ol and 2-methylpropane 1-ol, butane 1-ol and 2-methyl propane 1-ol are chain isomers to each other. Okay, dear student. Okay, this is very important chain isomeres, and I think you understood what is the structural isomeres and what is the chain isomeres. Clear, dear student? Okay. Now, in second video, we will discuss about the position isomeres. Okay, dear student? Okay. Thank you. All the best.